Commercial property plays a vital role in the real estate market, encompassing spaces like offices, retail centers, warehouses, and industrial sites. Its significance lies not only in supporting business operations, but also in driving economic growth and job creation. For investors, commercial properties offer opportunities for steady income and long-term value appreciation. Business owners benefit from understanding commercial real estate to make informed decisions about leasing or purchasing space. Gaining insight into this sector is essential for anyone looking to maximize returns or secure the right environment for their enterprise. Commercial property refers to real estate that is used primarily for business activities rather than for living purposes. This category includes a wide range of property types, such as office buildings where businesses operate, retail spaces like shopping centers and storefronts, and industrial facilities used for manufacturing or warehousing. In contrast, residential real estate is designed for people to live in, such as houses and apartment buildings. Understanding this distinction is important, as commercial properties often have different regulations, financing options, and investment considerations compared to residential properties. Commercial properties are divided into several key categories, each serving distinct business needs. Office properties typically house professional services and corporate headquarters, while retail spaces are designed for shops, restaurants, and other consumer-facing businesses. Industrial properties include warehouses, manufacturing facilities, and distribution centers, supporting the backbone of logistics and production. Multifamily properties, such as apartment complexes, provide residential units for multiple tenants. Special-purpose properties encompass unique uses like hotels, hospitals, or schools, tailored for specific functions beyond the standard categories. Commercial properties play a vital role in supporting a wide range of business activities. These spaces are designed to accommodate offices, retail stores, restaurants, warehouses, and more, each tailored to the specific requirements of various industries. For example, office buildings provide environments for administrative work, while retail spaces are optimized for customer interaction and product display. Industrial properties, such as warehouses and manufacturing facilities, focus on storage and production needs. By offering specialized environments, commercial properties help businesses operate efficiently and meet the demands of their markets. Commercial properties are distinguished by several defining characteristics. One important aspect is the lease structure, which often includes longer terms and more complex agreements compared to residential leases. The types of tenants also vary, ranging from retail businesses and offices to industrial operations, each with unique requirements and expectations. Additionally, commercial properties are subject to specific regulatory considerations, including zoning laws and building codes, which influence how these spaces can be used and managed. Together, these factors create a distinct landscape for commercial real estate. Profit potential is a key factor that draws investors to commercial real estate. This sector offers opportunities to generate steady income through rental payments, while also providing the possibility for property values to appreciate over time. Investors are attracted by the dual benefits of ongoing cash flow and long-term capital gains. The combination of these financial rewards makes commercial real estate an appealing choice for those looking to grow their wealth. As a result, It remains a popular investment avenue for individuals and institutions alike. Rental income from commercial properties is primarily generated by leasing space to businesses, such as offices, retailers, or industrial tenants. The amount of income depends on the rental rates, which are influenced by factors like location, property condition, and local market demand. High traffic areas and modern, well-maintained buildings typically command higher rents. Occupancy rates also play a crucial role, as higher occupancy means more consistent income for property owners. Economic trends, competition, and the quality of property management can further impact both rental rates and occupancy levels. Capital appreciation refers to the increase in the value of an asset over time. In the context of commercial properties, this growth is often driven by rising market demand and strategic improvements made to the property. Factors such as a thriving local economy, enhanced infrastructure, and renovations can all contribute to higher property values. As demand for commercial space grows, owners may see their investments appreciate, resulting in potential financial gains when the property is sold. Location is a critical factor in determining the profitability of commercial real estate. As properties situated in high traffic or desirable areas tend to attract more business and command higher rents. The condition of the property also plays a significant role. Well-maintained buildings are more appealing to tenants and often require fewer costly repairs over time. Additionally, the quality of tenants can directly impact income stability, with reliable tenants ensuring consistent cash flow and reducing the risk of vacancies. By carefully considering these elements, investors can significantly enhance the profit potential of their commercial real estate assets. Investing in commercial property can be approached through several common strategies. The buy and hold method involves purchasing properties to generate steady income over time, often through long-term leases. Value-add strategies focus on acquiring underperforming assets and enhancing their value through renovations, improved management, or repositioning. Development approaches, on the other hand, center around constructing new properties or redeveloping existing sites to meet market demand. Each strategy carries its own risks and rewards, making it important for investors to align their choice with their goals and resources. Investing in commercial property comes with a unique set of risks and challenges. Market volatility can lead to fluctuations in property values and rental income, making it difficult to predict long-term returns. Vacancies are another concern, as unoccupied spaces can result in significant financial losses. Additionally, managing commercial properties often involves complex legal, regulatory, and maintenance requirements. These factors require investors to conduct thorough research and maintain a proactive approach to property management. When considering commercial property investments, conducting thorough due diligence is essential. This process helps uncover potential risks and ensures that all legal and regulatory requirements are met. Market research provides valuable insights into local trends, demand, and competition, allowing investors to make informed decisions. Financial analysis, meanwhile, evaluates the property's profitability and long-term viability. Together, these steps form the foundation for successful and sustainable commercial real estate investments. Several key factors influence the profit potential of commercial properties. Location remains paramount, as properties in high-demand areas typically attract more tenants and command higher rents. Market trends, property condition, and tenant quality also play significant roles in determining returns. Investors can capitalize on these opportunities by conducting thorough market research, maintaining properties to a high standard, and seeking long-term, reliable tenants. Strategic improvements and proactive management further enhance profitability, ensuring sustained growth and value over time. In summary, commercial property refers to real estate used primarily for business purposes, such as offices, retail spaces, and warehouses. These properties offer significant profit potential through rental income and long-term value appreciation. For those intrigued by the possibilities in this sector, commercial real estate presents a range of opportunities and challenges worth exploring. Continued research and learning can help investors make informed decisions and maximize their returns in this dynamic market.